buying NFTs on the best NFT market. NFTs has become increasingly popular in recent years, with the market expected to reach $40 billion in 2022. You should choose a reputable and cost-effective marketplace to invest in if you want to get involved in the NFT market. The aim of this guide is to provide you with the overview of the best NFT marketplace, a review of the top platforms, and detailed instructions about how to buy NFTs today from the comfort of your own home. NFT marketplaces, why are they? The NFT marketplace is online platform where NFTs can be bought, sold, or minted. As an online store, NFT marketplaces allow users to browse the selection of items available for sale and make purchases. Almost all NFT marketplaces require users to have a crypto wallet to store NFTs after purchasing, since NFTs reside on the blockchain. NFT marketplaces top 10. You can learn about the best NFTs platform: Crypto.com, Binance, OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, GameStop, DraftKings, Rarible, Wax Foundation, Mintable. Number one, crypto. Crypto.com is our top pick when it comes to buying NFTs with over 10 million users. The popular Ethereum NFT exchange is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Crypto.com has recently launched a cryptocurrency trading platform in addition to its popular crypto trading services. The marketplace launched in 2021 and offers NFTs in categories such as art, celebrities, gaming, sport, music, and crypto. With Crypto.com, users can sign up for a Crypto.com NFT account in minutes, making the entire investing process simple and easy. NFTs can be purchased via fixed price, and credit or debit cards can be used to purchase them. Alternatively, cryptocurrency can be used to purchase NFTs through Crypto.com Pay. Number two, Binance. Binance NFT Marketplace is also a high recommended option for buying NFTs. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange according to CoinMarketCap, runs this marketplace. Binance prides itself on low fees, and this extends to the NFT marketplace, where users can purchase NFTs for just 1% transaction fees. Moreover, NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain are available on the Binance NFT marketplace, ensuring a wide selection of tradable assets. OpenSea. When it comes or trading volume, OpenSea is the largest marketplace in the world when it comes to buying NFTs. Since its launch, OpenSea has reached over 1 million users and bought NFT trading into mainstream based on the Ethereum blockchain. The marketplace provides a range of NFTs items, including art, domains, names, in-game items, and more. Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway is another top NFT marketplace to consider. This platform specializes in premium NFT drops. There are favor assets in NFT releases. In addition to Steve Aoki, Greens has also dropped a track on the platform. As these NFTs are highly sought after, Nifty Gateway selection caters primarily to high-end investors. GameStop, a new NFT GameStop is expected to launch this year, according to an article published by The Verge. GameStop plans to expand beyond purely selling video games and established a foothold within the non-traditional games market. GameStop is building a massive fund for game developers who choose its marketplace over alternatives, and its NFTs platforms is built a mutable X, a layer 2 protocol for Ethereum. Number 6, DraftKings. DraftKings, as one of the biggest sports betting companies based in the US, DraftKings, focusing primarily on sports betting. In late 2021, NFT launched its own marketplace with limited edition items for many top athletes. The DraftKings marketplace has listed items from the Brady, Tony, and others. Access the marketplace with your standard DraftKings login credentials if you already have an account. Reliable. The platform hosts a wide selection of digital art as well as photography, games, music, domains names, and even metaverse item, making it one of the best NFT art markets for investors. Platforms charge both buyers and sellers 2.5%, which is the higher end of the cost spectrum. Rarible, however, does support multi-chains and can host NFTs based on Ethereum flows. Number 8, VEX. The VEX blockchain network has been designed to improve the efficiency of e-commerce transactions. Since it launched in 2017, the network competes The network competes with Ethereum by leveraging the power of the blockchain, aiming to be the leading network in the space. There are over 140,000 digital assets available for trading on VEX NFT marketplace called Simple Market. Number 9, Foundation. Considering the foundation as a possible place to purchase NFT art is a good idea. In addition to offering exclusive art drops, Foundation is a leading NFT marketplace listed on the Foundation marketplace are NFTs that are offered through an auction, typically running for 24 hours after the first bid is placed. A sleek interface lets you find your desired digital art quickly and easily thanks to Foundation Ethereum blockchain technology. The highest fee on our list is the 15% foundation charges to the seller on each transaction. Number 10, Mintable. Lastly, Mintable rounds out the breakdown of where to purchase NFT tokens. Located on the Ethereum blockchain, Mintable is an NFT marketplace designed specially for newcomers. Launched in 2018, the marketplace aims to simplify the buying and selling process. NFT is currently available on Mintable cover categories such as art, music, videos, sports, and more. Now we talk about uses of NFTs. Commonly associated files, NFTs have been used to exchange digital tokens that link to a digital file asset. Ownership of an NFT is often associated with a license to use, such as linked digital asset, but generally does not confer copyright to the buyer. Some agreements only grant a license for personal, non-commercial use, while other licenses also allow commercial use of the underlying digital asset. Digital art. Digital art is common use case for NFTs. High profile actions of NFTs linked to digital art have received considerable public attention. The work merged by artists was the most expensive Artist Park was the most expensive NFT with an auction price of 91.8 million, and every days the first 5,000 days by artist games. NFT can represent in game assets such as digital and digital plots of land. Some describes such as being controlled by the user instead of game developer if they cannot be traded on third party marketplaces without the permission from the developer. CryptoKitties was an early successful blockchain online game in which players adopt and trade virtual cats. The monetization of NFTs within the game raised a 12.5 million investment, with some kitties selling for over 100,000 each. Following its success, CryptoKitties was added to the standard, which is created in January 2018. A similar NFT based online game, Infinity, was launched in March 2018. In October 2021, developer banned application from their Stream platform if those applications used blockchain technology or NFTs to exchange value or games. In December 2021, Ubisoft announced Ubisoft an NFTs initiative which allows people to buy artificially digital items using cryptocurrency. The announcement promoted with the zero dislike ratio of 96% over the YouTube announcement video, which has since been unlisted. The Ubisoft developer also raised over the announcement. The Game Developer Conference's 2022 annual report stated that 70% of developers said that their studios had no interest in integrating NFTs or crypto into their games. Some luxury brand maintained NFTs for online video game music. In February 2021, NFTs reportedly generated around 25 million in music industry, with artists selling artwork and music as NFT tokens. On February 28, 2021, electronic dance musician 3LAU sold a collection of 33 NFTs for a total 11.7 million to the three-year anniversary of this ultraviolet album film. In May 2018, 20th Century Fox with Atom tickets and released limited edition Deadpool 2 digital poster to promote the film. Other uses in 2029, Nike patented a system called CryptoKicks that would use NFTs to verify the authenticity of physical sneakers and would give a virtual vision of the shoe to the customer. Even tickets have been suggested for a sale as NFTs. This would enable event organizers or performers royalties on releases. Some private online communities of certain NFT releases. In February 2022, a woman bought a auction a 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath house near Tampa Bay, Florida for 210 ether, the equivalent of 650 6 lakh 53,000 at the time of the sale. The sale the sale transferred ownership of the house from the seller to limited liability company. Ownership of the LLC was then automatically transferred to the auction winner and the seller received the crypto payment in her digital wallet.